Making and using woven furniture offers numerous benefits that extend beyond aesthetic appeal. This form of furniture design combines artistry with functionality, resulting in pieces that are not only visually striking, but also practical and sustainable. The techniques and materials used in woven furniture have deep cultural roots and a rich history, contributing to its enduring popularity in contemporary design. One of the primary benefits of woven furniture is its unique aesthetic. The intricate patterns and textures created through weaving can elevate the visual appeal of any space. Woven designs add depth and warmth, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor environments. The interplay of light and shadow on woven surfaces creates a dynamic visual experience, drawing attention and enhancing the overall ambience of a room. This aesthetic versatility allows woven furniture to complement various styles, from traditional to modern, enabling it to fit seamlessly into a wide range of interior designs. Woven furniture is also celebrated for its durability and strength. The weaving process often involves using robust materials that can withstand wear and tear. For instance, natural fibers like rattan, wicker, and seagrass are commonly used due to their resilience and flexibility. These materials can endure the rigors of daily use, making woven furniture a long-lasting investment. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of stunning woven furniture and home decor ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The structure of woven furniture distributes weight evenly, providing stability and support. This durability makes it suitable for high-traffic areas and homes, such as living rooms or patios. Sustainability is another compelling benefit of woven furniture. Many woven furniture pieces are made from renewable and eco-friendly materials, particularly when artisans use natural fibers. By opting for woven furniture, consumers can support sustainable practices and reduce their environmental footprint. The production of woven furniture often requires less energy and resources compared to mass-produced alternatives. Furthermore, many artisans and small businesses prioritize sustainable sourcing, ensuring that their practices promote environmental stewardship. This alignment with eco-friendly values resonates with consumers who are increasingly aware of their impact on the planet. The process of making woven furniture can also be a deeply therapeutic and rewarding experience. For artisans, the act of weaving offers a form of creative expression that fosters mindfulness. The rhythmic nature of weaving can be meditative, allowing creators to immerse themselves in the process and experience a sense of flow. This connection to the craft can enhance overall well-being and satisfaction. Additionally, the skills developed through weaving, such as attention to detail and patience, can lead to a sense of accomplishment and pride in one's work. Incorporating woven furniture into home decor promotes a sense of comfort and coziness. The tactile nature of woven materials invites touch and interaction, creating an inviting atmosphere. Whether it's a woven chair or a decorative basket, these pieces can evoke feelings of warmth and relaxation. This quality is particularly valuable in spaces designed for socializing or unwinding, as woven furniture can encourage a sense of connection among family and friends. The organic textures and natural hues of woven materials can harmonize with various color palettes, enhancing the overall comfort of a space. Woven furniture is also versatile in its applications. It can be used in various settings, from cozy home interiors to outdoor patios. The adaptability of woven pieces allows for creative arrangements that can transform space. For instance, a woven coffee table can serve as a focal point in a living room, while woven chairs can provide additional seating for gatherings. The lightweight nature of many woven items makes them easy to rearrange, allowing homeowners to experiment with different layouts and designs. This flexibility can help refresh a space without requiring significant investment or effort. Another advantage of woven furniture is its affordability compared to solid wood or metal alternatives. While high-end woven pieces can be expensive, many options are available at various price points, making it accessible to a broader audience. Consumers can find woven furniture that fits their budget without compromising on style or quality. Moreover, the longevity of woven materials means that, when cared for properly, these pieces can last for years, providing excellent value for money. The handmade nature of many woven furniture pieces adds to their charm and uniqueness. Each item can carry the artisanal touch of its maker, showcasing individual craftsmanship and creativity. This personal touch can resonate with consumers who value authenticity and originality in their decor. Unlike mass-produced furniture, woven items often tell a story, reflecting the culture and traditions of the artisans who create them. This connection to heritage and craftsmanship can enhance the emotional value of woven furniture, making it a meaningful addition to any home. Woven furniture also encourages a connection to nature. The use of natural materials and organic shapes can create a harmonious balance between indoor and outdoor environments. This connection to nature can promote well-being and tranquility, making woven furniture an ideal choice for spaces that prioritize relaxation and comfort. By incorporating these elements into their homes, consumers can foster an environment that encourages mindfulness and appreciation for the natural world. Moreover, woven furniture can be a conversation starter. The unique designs and craftsmanship often intrigue guests, prompting discussions about the materials, techniques, and stories behind the pieces. This quality can enhance social interactions and create a welcoming atmosphere in homes. When visitors appreciate the artistry and thoughtfulness behind woven furniture, it can lead to deeper connections and shared experiences. Utilizing woven furniture can also be an excellent way to support local artisans and small businesses. By choosing handmade pieces, consumers contribute to the livelihoods of skilled craftspeople who rely on their craft for income. This support helps preserve traditional weaving techniques and cultural practices that might otherwise be lost in an increasingly industrialized world. Supporting local artisans fosters a sense of community and encourages sustainable economic development, making it a socially responsible choice for consumers. The maintenance of woven furniture is generally straightforward, adding to its practicality. Most woven pieces require minimal care, often only needing occasional cleaning to remove dust and dirt. Natural materials can be treated with protective finishes to enhance their durability and resistance to moisture. This low-maintenance aspect makes woven furniture an appealing option for busy households, as it allows for easy integration into daily life without demanding excessive upkeep. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, stunning woven furniture and home decor ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.